Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily enable contact key verification in iMessage on your iPhone 16e. So first, what you guys want to do is head over to settings and now clicking on your Apple account. Here, right after you do that, you need to scroll all the way down until you see contact key verification. Now click it and here tap on the switch. Now if you don't want to set it up, simply click continue and then simply click cancel. As you guys can see, now wait a couple of seconds and it should be enabled just like that. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.